Like I said, always come here, capture the shots of the boats. Remember the other day I was riding? I said I got this rapid red flash. I still got it. Didn't charge that light up and it's still going strong. It amazes me how a very interesting thing just didn't go off. I seen it on a couple of places. It amazes me. It really does. And I know it's not me because I know another person, the two people, and they're all about certain things. I just don't get it. I do get it, and I'm not going to worry about it. The trees are lit. That's the only reason why I came across. Friend, he just ran. There he goes in the sewer. I'm way too early for the sunrise. But I get to watch the planes. I should have taken my Sony's X99 with me. I was about to say the ZV-1 Mark II. As we ride along, I picked a good street. Not because of the lights, because they finished the paving. The street I like to go down, still unpaved. I did a inflator review. And I swear I'm getting slow on my bike again. And I did a 40 PSI. I'm not putting 60 in. I don't think that's the right amount of pressure for my tire. I keep it at 40. Maybe I'll beef it up to 45. Down to 15. I think I better go shut that off. Oh, we got the sand machines out in full. They're taking care of business. And then the planes are lined one after the other. If you could see that far. We'll head down to the water. Oh, yeah. I picked a trail, a blue trail that is. And there's another plane coming. Everything's all lit up. What a beautiful sight indeed. But no cruise ships. Well, it's kind of early. No sunrise again. And the wind is probably with me. And I'm going to continue on down and get on and see the lights at the amusement park. I want to be careful. This machine is fast. Picks up garbage, throws it in just like that, and goes to the next one. That's amazing. Amazing it is. I'm down. These are the lights that are on. I like the way the lights light up the camera, shows the camera. Yes, indeed. There you go. Well, I'm moving on. I get to see the ferry. Maybe I am on time, on schedule, and I get to see the sun rise. Wasn't this the type of shot I did before? I think it was. The ferry was going across in about a few seconds. We'll pull to the side so you can listen to the waves. There's the ferry, Mr. Pigeon, Mr. Seagull. On the hour, no more sunrise till next year, and you get to see it all the way up. Enjoy the rest of the summer. I'm not sitting here waiting for those lights to move because they almost look like a freighter. Well, that's the parachute jump. That jump is good. I gotta do it back because somebody was jogging. Nope, that's the parachute jump. Well, most of the trash cans on this side are done. He's getting down to the nitty gritty. Wait, where's he going? Just like that. Just gotta be careful with this guy. He's like a stink bug. Well, I'll tell you, My bike tire is strong. The wind is kicking. Getting a couple little sprinkles here and there. And I'm ready to pack it in and get on going. Get my light on. I'm not sure it's low, bright, flicker, low, bright, low. I'm not sure the settings. Time to go recharge the things. I thought I had this back one on. Such a hard press and all. There we go. It's on. I'm good to go now. I'm able to be seen. I gotta go now and take care of some beeswax. So let's get on going and get on moving. Joe's gonna be a good friend today. I gotta go set up, do some completions, and get him on done.